It is officially move out day today, and I'm very sad. And my face is also so puffy and I'm so tired, so it's not going well so far. It's very early, we've just woken up and we need to quickly pack away the rest of our things and start cleaning a little bit. We only have like an hour, so we're just gonna do like a quick clean because our landlord said that that was fine. With another plant as well, and one of our plant pots fell over and spilt water all over me, so this is just great. We were also in such a rush that I didn't get to say goodbye to the flat properly, so I'm a bit upset, but it's okay. We're also parked illegally right now and I'm really worried that someone's going to come and tell us to move. Okay, that is everything moved in. I need to put our bedding on to wash because I want it to be nice and fresh for sleeping in it tonight. It's very dark in here right now because it's a really gloomy day, but Danny's just gonna quickly go move the car. This video is probably such a mess, but we're gonna stay here for like an hour while I put the sheets on to wash, and then we're gonna go back to my house to take the car home, and then my parents will come up and see it hopefully. Okay, first shower. I started to put some of my clothes away this morning, so here is my wardrobe so far, and then I also did most of my chest of drawers. I am not sure if I'm gonna have enough space for all of my stuff, unfortunately, but I'll see how it looks, and then I might need to get another chest of drawers or something. But right now we're actually going back to the old flat because we've got a chair to pick up that the landlord said we could have, that I'm gonna give to my mum. So we need to go get that. We do have to carry it back, which is not ideal.
Every time I go out I have to repack.
Mission successful, chair secured. I am now very sad. I did not want to go back into the flat because I knew it would just make me upset, but it's okay. We got our chair and now we're going back to the new flat. I've now finished doing a lot of my clothes. I'm not sure if it's going to stay like this, but I've done trousers, short dresses, longer dresses, skirts and jumpers, except I think I am missing quite a few things, so I feel like I'm gonna find a box like full of clothes that I need to put in here. But I don't think Danny's gonna use that whole wardrobe, so I think I might move my longer dresses there, because this is really annoying me because I can't really see what's in there. And that's the issue I had in the old flat, was I didn't really know what I had because a lot of it was just like at the back of cupboards and stuff like that, so that's kind of irritating me. I do have this big box of stuff that it's not all going to charity shops. Some of it I'm going to take home, and some of it I just need to try on, see if it fits and stuff like that. But I've done a fairly good job, I think. I am also running out of hangers, so I'm going to have to order some, which is a bit annoying because I feel like hangers are so expensive. But yeah, I also have nowhere to put my tops, so I'm not 100% sure what to do about that. Oh, I need to like get ready and stuff. I don't think the lighting in here is very flattering, and my contour looks so dark. It doesn't look like that in the mirror. But I am currently, Danny and I are going for dinner tonight at our friend's house. Also, sorry if the fan's really loud. I can't turn it off, so sorry about that. As I already showed you, I have done most of my clothes except my tops, because I'm just waiting for Danny to do his to see like how much space is left and stuff. So I'll probably end up doing that tomorrow, and then I have to tackle all of like the really annoying things, like small decorations and like random things, which I'm not really sure where I'm going to put any of it. But at least my clothes are done, because that is what I was dreading doing, because I have so many clothes. But I'm enjoying being in the flat so far. I obviously missed the other flat. It was kind of sad like going into it again today, because I was like, oh no, this still feels like our flat. But I am enjoying this one. I do like it, and I feel like it will feel really homey quite quickly. The landlord said she also doesn't mind if we like hang pictures on the walls and stuff like that, so that would be nice to get some stuff. We'll definitely need to buy a few things, like we need to buy like a shoe rack and new hangers. What else? I feel like there's quite a few things, but eventually we'll get everything all together and sorted. So I'm looking forward to that. My makeup looks so bad in this lighting. I'm going to have a little glass of wine. This has been open for like 4 days, so it might not be nice anymore. But I actually have quite a lot of alcohol in the flat for my birthday, but I don't really want to open it when it's just like me having a drink. Can you have a taste of this and see if you think it's okay? I don't want it to go to waste. I feel like it kind of tasted like that before. I have decided against the wine. I'm gonna make both of us a gin and tonic. Need to get some ice. Need our gin. Someone left this at our flat after my birthday. Don't know who it was, but thanks for the gin. I'm also like incapable of measuring out alcohol. Like I have literally no idea what a shot is or what a double is. So my camera's gonna die, but then we need our tonic, and I just keep tasting, seeing as though I have no idea how much alcohol's in this. Just left it here.
Oh well.
Here is my outfit for today. It's meant to be like 18 degrees today. It's a bit cloudy right now, so
There's a chance of meatballs.
my dress and my top are both from a charity shop, and Danny got me these shoes for my birthday, which I love, except the first time I wore them, I did fall over in them. So now, every time I wear them, I just feel like I'm gonna fall over again. I think we're gonna go to the Botanics and buy some snacks, and we're both gonna bring a book and be studious in the Botanics. I also have this ribbon around my neck. I did have an earring here before because this doesn't actually button. I feel like the ribbon maybe looks better, I'm not sure. But I wanted to wear something a bit different today because I feel like I haven't been putting together very nice outfits for like months. Not that this is anything crazy. Maybe I don't even like it. I'll probably watch this back and be like, that outfit's terrible. But
I like the outfit. The outfit's cool.
I do like this bottom of this dress. I haven't really filmed anything in a few days, so I wanted to, before I finish this video, give you a quick update. I think I'm only going to really show you our room because the rest of the flat's not really done yet, but we have put away most of our things. If you just ignore our bed and that chest of drawers because it's not been decorated, I have got my bedside table and my guitar there, and I finished the wardrobe. So Danny kindly has let me use the majority of his wardrobe. So I've got my long dresses there, and I've got black tops, white tops. I have more colourful tops in there, but there's too many of them, so I might need to get another box. Handbags, tote bags, and I do have a space in there which I'm not sure what to do with it yet. It will probably just be more tops. And then I think you might have already seen this, but I have trousers, shorter dresses, skirts, tops, and then jumpers. These are kind of more like nicer tops, I guess, than the ones in the boxes, but I also did run out of hangers, so I want to get some more to put a few more tops out, I think. Then you've already seen my chest of drawers full, but I just decorated the top. I've got some Vogue magazines, pictures, some books, and then I put my mirror here and a shoe rack. This mirror I did not use at all in the old flat because it was dented, and this is literally so stupid of me. It's dented at the bottom, which is originally the top, and I thought that I couldn't use it because it was dented, but then I realised I could literally just turn it around. And then I put my easel over there as well. I don't really love that painting, but I haven't painted anything in ages, so I'll maybe do a new one for in here. We also did get 2 more of these shoe racks and have put them at the front door, but they were only, I think, like £3 or £4 from Home Bargains, so I thought that was quite good. And we are just using this one for like high heels and stuff like that, like less everyday shoes. Still a few things to do in here, and the rest of the flat isn't really done very much at all, but at least we have made some progress and there aren't like boxes sitting everywhere. I've just finished editing my first moving vlog, and Danny has made me a Moscow Mule, and I'm gonna sit on the couch and watch some TV.